Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are safe and taking good care of yourself. Do you remember in the previous session we did one activity where we placed the names of people, places, animals and things in a pocket. All those names were nouns. Look around. Everything around you has a name. For example, table, chair, your mother, house, boy, girl, dog, etc. Everyone is having a name. Nouns. Nouns are words that name people, places, animals, things, ideas, and feelings. Everything around us has a name, which are called naming words or nouns. There are types of nouns: common noun, proper noun, material noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. Today, let's revise two types of nouns: common noun and proper noun. First is common noun. Common nouns are the general names given to people, animals, places, and things. For example, a boy is sitting in the garden. Children, in the above example, the boy is a common noun because as we have not mentioned the name of a particular boy, so it could be any boy. The next example is we live in a city. Here I have not mentioned a name of any particular city, so city is a common noun. Second type is proper noun. Proper nouns are special, particular names given to people, animals, places, and things. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter, no matter where it is placed in a sentence. For example, Urvi is a naughty girl. In the above given example, we are talking about a particular girl whose name is Urvi. Urvi is a proper noun. Children, here we are talking about a particular girl. Here we have given her a special name. So, Urvi is a proper noun in the sentence. Second example is we live in Pune city. Here, Pune is a special name given to our city. There are many cities in our country, but here we are talking about a particular city, and so Pune is a special name. It's a proper noun. Let's revise. Children, read the following sentence and identify the common and proper nouns. First sentence is Pritham went on vacation to Hyderabad with his parents. In this sentence, there are two proper nouns and one common noun. Pritham and Hyderabad are proper noun because we are talking about a specific person and place. Parents is a common noun in the sentence. Second sentence is Delhi is a capital of India. It is a big city. Children, in this sentence, Delhi and India, we are talking about a particular city and country. So, these two words are proper noun and it is a big city. City is a common noun in the sentence. Third sentence is Ashoka was a great warrior. Ashoka is a name of a person, so it's a proper noun. Warrior is a common noun. Fourth sentence is the boys are playing in the park with Mahesh sir. Boys is a common noun because we have not mentioned a particular name of any boy. So boys is a common noun and we are talking about a particular sir, so it's a proper noun. The fifth sentence is Radha is hiding behind the tree. In this sentence, we are talking about a particular girl. Her name is Radha. So, Radha is a proper noun in the sentence and tree is a common noun in the sentence. I hope you all have understood common and proper noun. Thank you children. Take care.